Here at Contra Costa Powersports, we have a 2016 Kawasaki Ninja 300 ABS. This bike has 6,200 miles and is offered for $39.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. In addition to the standard features, including the ABS, this one has a real nice sounding Yoshimura exhaust on it. That's about $500 to $600 installed. Other than that, she's stock and ready to go. This is a great commuter bike, great first bike for someone around town, heading off to college. Just a great all-around bike. Bike's been gone through by our service department, been given a clean bill of health, did an oil change on it, and she's all dialed in and ready to go. We can provide financing as well as an extended warranty on this bike. Also has some nice custom wheels on it that the previous customer put on. That's a real nice upgrade and give it a cool classic look. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, where at any given time we'll have 35 to 40 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one.